Sawadika everyone. Today I will show you how to cook tom Kha Gai, Thai chicken coconut milk soup, and the secret of cooking. Now ingredient we are ready, we can start. So now ingredient one by one. This is chicken breast, and this one red onions. I cut dice and I use only half because I make only one portion. And this one lemongrass, I crush it rough, make it easy aroma when we boil it. This one Kaffar leaves, I use 2 Kaffar leaves and I take it out. This one coriander, I chop it like 1 centimeter. And this one red and green chili, too spicy, so I just slice it. And this one tomato, I just cut the dice and I use only half. This is oyster mushroom, I tear it off for make it smaller. And seasoning, we will have white sugar, I use half teaspoon. And this one fish sauce, I use 3 spoons. This is lamb juice, I use from the fresh one whole lamb, I get 3 tablespoons. And this one coconut milk, I use coconut milk from Sri Lanka. This is just water. First I will boil water. After water boil, we will put lemongrass, galangal, and red onions, and some of Kaffar leaf first. I will wait it until fragrance, aroma from all the herbs properly out, because this tips we will not seasoning the food unless the aroma coming properly. So we boil like few minutes. So now aroma coming out already. I boil after few minutes. Then I will put chicken. Now I will put coconut milk because I want coconut milk also with chicken. I will not stir unless it's boiled or almost chicken cooked. So another tips of cooking of chicken is you make sure boiling soup and then you put chicken. Now I will seasoning with fish sauce, 2 tablespoons first, and then sugar, half teaspoon, and now I will put chili and oyster mushroom and tomato. I will taste it out. Sauce. So now last minute I will put the leaves of Kaffar leaves and coriander. And another tips, I will put lime juice last minute. Look, really yummy, nice, you know. See, you get colorful from chili and taste spicy from them also, from tomato, and the green color from coriander, nice fragrant aroma from herb. Really good smell. Look nice, delicious, really. And now ready to serve. Another tips, we always put all the meat first before we put soup, so we will know how control the meat and the soup is balanced. That's, you know, so look, I will cut garnishes with coriander and chili, and ready to serve. Really yummy. Coconut milk is make it like a smooth soup and not too thick like curry, like easy for you eat it and have sour from lime juice, a little bit of chili, salty from fish sauce. Is really delicious. Try out. It's really nice soup. Thai soup is popular soup. Okay, everyone. See you. Bye bye.